Hello everyone and welcome to the workshop vlog episode 16. So we're going to start off today with just a general chat and then we'll move on to some projects and some changes to the channel. So firstly, progress is continuing on a new house move. I'll let you know when big things happen and if anything important happens with that. So I hope you've enjoyed my new editing style. I've really been trying to improve it. So I saw a couple of comments on my 6-layer pot that people are enjoying how I'm starting to edit the videos with more styles, as in, so there's voiceover, there's just general talking to camera like I am now, and then obviously the actual turning and talking through my mistakes. So I do hope you enjoy that editing style. It does take a lot longer to film that, obviously, as I have a lot more footage to edit. So that brings me on to my next point. I'm struggling to get out as many videos as I am at the moment, and to be honest, I think if I want to keep the channel a sustainable activity, I think it would make more sense to just carry on with the workshop vlog on a Monday and a woodworking or just general making project video on a Thursday or a Friday. Most likely a Thursday, but sometimes it'll be a Friday, but usually I'm watching Matt Estley's live stream on a Friday, so usually it'll be on a Thursday. So yeah, that's the big change, to be honest, in terms of the upload schedule. I had recently changed it, but I'm changing it again because the videos are just getting later and later. So the 6-layer pot was 3 days late, I think, on my editing schedule. So I just think it would make more sense just to put the upload schedule back a few days. So instead of being 2 projects a week, there'll be 1 project a week and a workshop vlog. Sometimes it'll be a nice long project, so say something like a 15-minute video, but most of the time it'll be around 8 to 9 minutes, something like that. And then the workshop vlog will be anything from 6 minutes to 15 minutes, it depends on how much I've got to get through. The car video, which I've been making, will be out next week hopefully. I'll show you how the car turned out now. So as I just said, I'm going to show you how the car turned out. Now, this project really challenged me. So the biggest issue was actually cutting this out with the jigsaw. So if you're looking there, you might be able to see that black line just there. Now, the reason that happened was because I had a bit of a problem with the jigsaw. I was using a very fine blade and I found it rather difficult to cut accurately. And that's to do with my skill, nothing to the tool. I'm just not very skilled with the jigsaw at the moment. But I was thinking I might just try remaking it, but I thought I'm going to keep going with it. I'm determined to get it finished, and as you can see, it has turned out absolutely brilliant in my opinion. I am incredibly happy with how this turned out. I did change a couple of things, so most obviously the wheels, which you'll see in the video, have changed quite a lot, to be honest. They didn't quite work out how I wanted them to, so I ended up remaking the wheels completely. I've done cellulose sanding sealer on this, which is this one, Chestnut Products, and I've never used it before. Very easy to use, really like the product. Didn't do any on the wheels, but I did it on everything else on the car, and I think it's got I don't know, 3-4 layers of acrylic sanding sealer. I'll show you that one as well. Again, another Chestnut Products. I really like Chestnut Products finishes. So as you can see, the finish on this is absolutely lovely. It's silky smooth and it's got a tiny bit of a shine to it. It's matte mostly, but it's got a very subtle shine to it. I really like the colours though. I used sapele and a bit of ash, I think it is, which were all from Surrey Timbers. Yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out, and used some pine dowel to attach the wheels with. This will become a video in the next week, I think, or 2. Let me see what I've written down. We'll be out in the next week, hopefully. I've got about half an hour's more editing in terms of actual footage, so that'll probably take me, I don't know, a couple of hours to edit, because I'm trying to, as I said, improve the editing style. This was before I drastically changed my editing style, so it will have a mixture of different editing styles, I guess, in it. I've got another project planned using charcoal to stain a bowl. This is a piece of ash that I tried to stain with charcoal. Quite like the outcome, so I'm probably going to be doing that in the next month or so. But the car, that will be the next video, hopefully, or a mallet, I haven't decided yet. This is inspired by a classic car. Not really sure what kind of car, but I actually got the idea off of Axminster's Beat the Boredom. So premieres, that's another thing I need to talk about. Now, I'm trying to do more premieres. Out of my workshop vlog video and the project video will most of the time be a premiere, if I can get it to work, that is. I did try and do the 6-layer pot as a premiere, but it didn't work, and I think that's the scheduling and how I uploaded it, so I need to do it a different way. Sean Evely helped me out a lot over on Instagram about what I need to do to improve that. So that's a massive help, to be honest, so thank you to him. And to be honest, I'm hoping these premieres are going to work better in future. I'm planning on doing them, as I said, for each project video, because it's a really good opportunity. If you have a question that I haven't answered in the video, or you need to know how I did something, or just have a general woodworking question or making question, it's a good opportunity to get a conversation about things going on. And also you can suggest video ideas and projects to me as well. So, to be honest, in terms of all the projects and the upload schedules, that's mostly it. So now we'll move on to the shout-out segment. So I only had one entry for shout-out segment this week, which I don't mind. I'm happy to do as many as you want. If you do have something to send me, as always, send me an Instagram DM with a picture and a sentence or two about what materials you used or how you made it. So a person who sent me something this week was James Matteson, who made these birdhouses. One is painted in red cedar and the other one is just left unpainted. I think they look really great, and there's some pictures beside me now. And I do have an ambitious target for the end of September. I would love to reach 300 subscribers by the end of September. Now I realise that is a big undertaking to try and reach 300 subscribers, but I did go up 50 subscribers in 13 days in the middle of August, so I see no reason why this isn't possible. Obviously it will be quite a push, but if we can get there, I will be doing a giveaway. I'm not going to confirm what's in it yet, but there will 100% be some stickers, and I am considering putting a Wood Turners Blend in there as well. And there'll definitely be a Wood Turners Blend sticker, Design and Make sticker, perhaps a Wood Turners Blend, and some other bits and bobs if I can think of some things to add in. If you're interested in getting on that giveaway, all we need to do is get to 300 subscribers. If we can, by the end of September, I'm going to count that as the 30th of September at midnight, then we will do a giveaway, and that will be done somewhere at the start of, well, October, I guess. I hope you guys have enjoyed that, I guess, good news about this giveaway. I would like to reach 300 subscribers, as I said. I want to keep growing this channel because I want more people to be able to learn, get inspired, and I guess have some fun on this channel. I like to change things up every so often, do some different kinds of videos. I'm looking into getting into a bit of, that was a mouthful, I'm looking into getting into a bit of pottery, I guess, and doing a bit of clay working. I don't have any experience doing it. I've made a couple of things, but nothing. I mean, I've literally made a clay brick and a clay pot. But I'm going to try and maybe make a pot as well, perhaps a small pot as well. Obviously, I don't know whether this is going to happen. These are just ideas I've got. And I do want to do a bit of blacksmithing and set up a forge. I did have a small forge in a garden once upon a time with some charcoal in it, but I never actually got to use it. And it just sort of left there, and I didn't really think about it. And I think I trampled all over it. It was in a metal tin can. It never did much, so I've got some big plans for making a blacksmithing forge in a garden, and I will show you how you guys can do that as well. Wait for the truck to go past. So in terms of the blacksmithing thing, that will be quite an adventurous video, I guess, and I think it'll be good fun. I haven't done any blacksmithing before, not particularly. I've done a couple of metalworking projects, but no blacksmithing, and I think it'd be really cool to make something small. Haven't decided what, maybe something like a hook, or I've seen Alex Still does his little leaves. He says they're a really good beginner's project. I might try and do something like that. I've got a couple of bits. I've got my cobbler's anvil, which is somewhere down here. I'm not going to try and get it out now because it'll take me forever. In terms of the sticker wall, when I get the new workshop, this will be going up in there. At the moment, I've only got a Wood Turners Blend sticker, Design and Make, and timbers. But when I get the new workshop, I'll be trying to get more stickers, and I will hopefully be going to make a central next year if it ends up happening. I'm sure it will, but if it does, I will be there, hopefully, as long as I can make it. So, in terms of the workshop vlog, that's pretty much it. I am aware this is a much longer video, I think, of the workshop vlog than usual. Depends how much I cut out of it. Oh, a couple of other things, actually, before I finish. In terms of projects, I haven't got that many things planned in the works at the moment. This game board and the cookser and the sandpaper storage organiser, I did say I'm going to be doing in a new workshop, because I want to make them really accurate, and I really want to fulfill, I guess, what you guys wanted me to do with those. But, as always, if you have any project suggestions, I'd really appreciate you putting them in the comments section below, and I'll try and pick 3 and eventually get around to making them. I have done quite a few subscriber suggestions before, but I kind of want to do a few more. I have got one planned, which is turning a chess piece. I've got some ash here, I've got some sapele, I've got quite a lot of turning blanks actually. Wild mango, a bit of umbelo, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. This is a bit of wild mango. I've got lots of turning blanks anyway. And the cannon will be happening. Cannot guarantee when that's going to come out because obviously, as I'm sure you can appreciate, making a cannon's not a small project. That will probably be in a 2-part video or maybe a long 20-minute one. We'll see. But anyway, enough of me talking. I hope you guys have enjoyed this workshop vlog. As always, suggest your projects down below. Thanks for watching and I hope you've enjoyed this.